This is Tim from Tim's Cards and Comics. This is Tim from Tim's Cards and Comics with another video. And it's another Topps Heritage 2019 Topps Heritage high number pack opening. This is the 16 card, I don't know if you call this a value pack or a fat pack. It's not real fat, but maybe that's as fat as it's going to get. But the 16 card pack. If you recall, I opened up recently a blaster box of the 2019 high number Heritage. Didn't get a lot out of that. I'm hoping to get something a little better out of this, but probably not. Opening this one, I've also got another hanger box to open. I wanted to make this a nice short video. I'm just opening this one. So if I'm going to make it short, I better get it going right now. Here we go. Alright, 16 cards. There it is. Let's see what we get. Juris Familia. Just kind of move these things back a little bit. Sorry about that. Matt Moore. Wade Miley. Oops, sorry about that. Lenny Garcia. Daniel Descalso, Anthony DeSalafani. I'm sorry if I can't pronounce these names right, but Jeff Summer, Chris Paddock. I think we got him in the other box. All right, we have a Pete Alonso Rookie Performers insert. Just in case. Travis Bergen, just in case you wanted to see the back if I didn't show him yet. Greg Holland, Nick Anderson, Lance Lynn, Domingo German. I call him German, but I'm sure that's not the right pronunciation. Brian McCann and Billy McKinney. All right, let's see if there's any high numbers. No. No, yes. I think that's the same short print we had in the other one, now I come to think of it. Numbers, I think it's 701 to 725 are the short prints. And there are variations and stuff, but I don't know which ones that is. Those might be only in certain kinds of boxes. So there we have it. That's what we got out of this one right there. Nice quick little video. Just open that one pack. I hope you enjoyed that. And thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Hit the notification button and tell somebody about this channel. And we will see you again next time.